Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello sir, we're from group 3 of class 2 CC8. We're gonna presentate our project called Rock Paper Scissor game with Python Tkinter. And before that, let me introduce myself and my member. My name is Putri Annisa Lubis, and the other member is Muhammad Ilham Duata and Lestari. And let's move to the main topic. So, in this first slide is what is rock paper scissor game. In this project, rock paper scissor game is a game that can be played with the computer only. User can play it with the computer automatically. As any other game, this project is also have some rules which must be considered. The first rules is if the user choose rock and the computer choose scissor, the user win. And if the user choose rock and the computer choose paper, the player who choose a paper win. And if the user choose scissor and the computer choose paper, the user got the victory. And if the both of the players choose the same option, then no one win and no one will get the point either. So in this diagram class, we have two options like a user and the computer. User can choose rock or scissor or paper. And computer will automatically and randomly choose it. And the result will show the user score and the computer score and the user choices and the computer choices.
Our flowchart. So in our flowchart, first the system will display rock, scissor, and paper, and then when you choose between three of that, the computer will choose between three of that, and then if you choose your choice and computer choice are same, the system will display tie. And if your min computer, the system will display your win and your point gain 1. And then when and if computer min user, the system will display computer win and computer score will gain by 1. What is library random? Library random is a program that can be used for randomize some number or a word.
Tkinter is Python standard GUI used to create application views such as button, text, label, window, and many more. This is implementation Tkinter. First, import library. Second, create window to display game. Third, we use text in result function to display choice and score during game. Fourth, create button for user to click rock, scissor, or paper. Lastly, run everything inside window using main loop method.
In this code, first is definition function methods for convert user choice. So this is a method for the user to choice and the score that user choice will show by this. So choice to number rock scissor paper. If the user choose rock, there is 0 point and the scissor is 1 point and the paper is 2 point. And then the number to choice rock paper scissor is 0 for rock and first or 1 for scissor and 2 for paper. The function for computer choices is random. So the computer will randomly choose what it one of the option like rock or scissor or paper.
In the result function, create function with function name result and parameter human choice and computer choice. In statement, we take the global variable which is score and if elif. If user equal to computer, print type elif user minus computer percent to format string in choice to number and number to choice function 3 equal to 1 print user win else print computer win. This combined assignment operator user or computer will get point and do the sum of the previous point.
The function rock, scissor, and paper is used to make computer and user choose between rock, scissor, and paper.
So we run this program. This is GUI Tkinter. Choose rock. It will display user score 1 and display you win in command line. Choose paper. It will display tie and choose scissor that will display tie. So that's it.
Okay, sir. We're finally in the last part of this presentation. For the last time, my name is Putri Annisa Lubis, and the other member is Ilham Duata and Lestari. We'll seriously give our best to presentate this project about rock paper scissor game with Python Tkinter. Sorry if there are so much deficiencies in this presentation, and thank for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi